Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So it has been a long time since I bought from a store in Singapore, and yeah, so I bought one in North Point, and yeah, so it is in here. It's from Toy and Toy and Huggo is the same thing. They have squishes. So I'll tell you where you can find Toy and Huggo. The Toy you can find them from Plaza Singapore, Vivo City, Jurong Point 1. Okay, you guys can read all of it. Yeah. So yeah. So the squishy will be inside this bag, and you can see a bit. So yeah. So yes, I got Billie the whale, which is the narwhal, which I haven't squished it yet, but I did take out the tape. Yep, I took out the tape. Oh my god, I love brand new packaging, but last time I kept squishing them because they're. This feels cool, I guess. Let's talk about the packaging. This feels cool. The packaging is so cute. Just put the narwhal down. Narwhal go down. Oh, I don't know what this smells like really, but I do know what Millie smells like. It smells like peach. Okay, this really is not budging. So the package has changed. It has like things on it. It's super cute and says Millie. Well, this is not Millie. This is Billie, the boy one. And there is Millie, which I got the boy one. And WKSS eye blue. So let's squishy packaging. Oh my god, that's super squishy. Oh, and the new squishies packaging now has like, hopefully I don't like, has 2 cells, and also it smells like mint. Oh my god. Oh, that's sticky. See, it has double seal. Wait, do I have? Nope, it has only 1 cell, sorry. I thought it had double because it looks. Oh, it makes 2 double ones. Oh my! This is freaking soft. It's kind of like mint and peach, I guess. Mint peach. Yeah, so soft. There's a heart. I've been wanting those squishy, and I got the new ones. It's so soft. It's so kawaii. I think Billie is better than Millie. What's that pie video? The tail is even squishy. I thought it smells like peach, but it smells like mint and peach. No, mint, just mint. But it's kind of like has like a peach smell, I guess. Still rising. Okay, it's all that. Let's push the heart. Okay guys, oh my god, this is super squishy. And this bends, so be careful of the tail. It might fall or something. This is so squishy. And also on the horn, it might break if you smoosh it falling. This was so that's all of my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, the package is so cute. So yeah, bye guys. And oh, by the way, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.